Hi there, John McCann here, and I'm reporting live from... Hello? No? Hello? It's the Nokia, it's the 8110, it's the banana phone. Last year at MWC, Nokia, HMD, which is now the firm doing the Nokia phones, gave us the 3310 reimagined. It's now reimagined another classic, something it's now called in part of its Nokia original series, and it's the 8110. Now, fans of the Nokia firm may remember this slider phone from way back when, and it's now been given a 4G update. So this is the 8110 4G. 4G connectivity means faster internet speeds. It is, however, a feature phone. So on screen, it's very basic. It's not a touch screen. You'll have to use the four-way directional pad, but you get classics like Snake, although not the original Snake, a reimagining for the 21st century. And Facebook is also an app on there, and Nokia is promising us a rich app ecosystem for this phone, something that the 3310 couldn't offer because it wasn't in 4G in most countries in the world, only a couple out in Asia. So this is a fully 4G feature phone with a 20-day standby battery life, 20 days. Now that's not something you got on smartphones, obviously they do a lot more. The 2.5-inch screen isn't exactly going to set the world alight, neither is the 512 megabytes of RAM. But it is a blast from the past. It's a lovely piece of nostalgia. The slider action, I could just do that all day. It reminds me of when I was using the BlackBerry Priv, which had a slider as well. It's just a very satisfying motion, and it's nice that when you slide it down, it lights the screen up, you're ready to rumble. Really nice. There is a headphone jack up top alongside the micro USB port for charging, so good for audio files. There's an FM radio built in as well. Power on the side. There's a rear facing camera. It's not going to be amazing. I think it's about 2 megapixels, but we'll confirm that. It's basic as you get, but Facebook's on there. We're expecting more apps to be announced very soon as well, so there may be other social integration that could be coming with this phone. But for now, it's expected to go on sale in May worldwide. It's going to cost 79 euros RRP, so depending on tax in your country, maybe slightly around that. In the UK, you're probably looking at about 70 UK pounds, but again, that will need to be confirmed. But that is, in a nutshell, the new Nokia 8110 4G banana phone. Look at the curve, love the curve. I'll see you again very soon.